Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Google Chrome had an early update for security late yesterday, Monday, June 2nd. So if you're using Google Chrome, it's important to update as they are fixing a 0-day that is exploited in the wild already. Google knows that there's been some exploit on this. And there's a little story behind it. So first of all, if you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go into Help, About Google Chrome. You'll be moved to 137.0.7151.68 or 69, depending on the version you have of Linux or on Mac or on Windows. Now, last week, on May the 28th, there was a update that was pushed that mitigated a problem with the V8 scripting engine within Google Chrome. And that was to temporarily disable some features that were attacked into this exploit. Now, the update this week fixes the exploit, and of course that means that now it is fine, but it is still an exploit in the wild. Even the extended channel update, if you're using the extended channel Chrome, you also will have a security update to fix this, which is exploited in the wild. So in total, 3 security flaws are fixed in this week's Google Chrome browser. Of course, this will go to the Chromium browsers, which hopefully will update quite fast to fix the 0-day that is also affecting Chromium browser. So check regularly on your Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and whatever other browser, Microsoft Edge, to make sure that you get the updates, as that 0-day will be there also for everyone, since it's in the V8 scripting engine. So update your Google Chrome to stay safe. It's your first line of defense. It's the way to stay safe online. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.